That was freaking amazing. Be careful. Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Fam.
Hi, guys.
Tyler, say good morning. Good morning. What are we doing today? What are we gonna buy? Yeah, you guys, we're gonna buy Tyler big boy bed today. This noise behind me, so I'm gonna wait until we're out of this noise before I continue this vlog. Okay, I think it's gonna stop. You guys, we're going to buy Tyler bed today. Tyler big boy bed shopping day, okay? It's officially going down today. We're gonna buy Tyler big boy bed. Bonjour. And he's pretty excited about it. So I am pretty excited about it. And today is also National Day in France, and it's also a sad day because it is the 2nd anniversary of the bombing here in our city in Nice.
Not bombing.
So, well, running over. Terrorist attack. It's the 2nd anniversary. Go with Papa. It's the 2nd anniversary of that. So today is a sad day. Yeah, but we're looking forward to the day. We're looking forward to have some family time. We're looking forward to enjoy National Day. We're looking forward to buying Tyler big boy bed, and he's pretty excited about it. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and if it's your first time to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell and catch up and keep up with the fam, because we have a lot going on. Yeah, so make sure you guys just have a good day. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, stay positive, and whatever it is that you're doing today, just have fun doing it. And we are going big boy bed shopping. So we're trying to find a bed for Tyler, you guys. Tyler, come and lay on this one for a minute. Come here, go on this one.
Let's see.
I'm not tired. I'm not tired. I'm just weak.
It looks odd.
Okay, yes, I see what you mean. So the aim is, you guys, we're trying to find it with something at the side so he won't fall off at night.
Mama.
So yes, Tyler.
This way.
Okay, I'm coming.
Look at this. Look at this bed, Mama.
You love that one?
Yeah.
I love that one too.
This one. Wow.
I love that one. The house. No, that one's too tall. Not on that one. Oh yeah. Okay, Tyler, come.
Go this way. Look.
Oh yeah, close it. This one is gonna grow in no time, yeah?
Go this way.
That's for a little girl. Yeah? I'm coming, you go. You like it?
For the baby.
It's for the baby? Alright, you're not a baby, so let's go.
Yeah.
Lay down. I think this is it.
Tired, Mama.
Yes, I know, but I just want to see how you're looking at it. And he comes down easily. Look. He comes down very easily. I'm not worried about him.
Tired, Mama.
Here we go up to.
Yeah, so we leave him a light, a little light. You have to leave him a light if he starts coming down for pee. There's no way we can leave him without a little light if he's coming down to pee.
Mama,
Okay, Stella?
look at it. Look.
Oh, nice. And it have a table under here, which is important for him at this stage. Uh-oh. Go up on it. Go on it. It's okay. It's okay. You don't like it? No? Because you hurt your foot?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Mama, stop. Mama, stop. Stop. Uncle, it's for the mama and papa bed.
Right.
And this is for Auntie on the bed.
You like that one? You love this one? He loves this one, but realistic. If we buy him this bed, how long he's going to last in it? Yes, Stella? Yeah. Yeah. So we're trying to buy him something that he can grow in for a long time, because I'm sure at some point he'll probably won't like cars anymore and stuff like that. So we're trying to buy him something neutral that he can grow in over a period of time. This is the bed that we choose for Tyler. This is the pick. It have a table, it have a drawer, it has storage area and stuff like that. That way we can save some space. But
Mama,
the store don't have it in stock.
Mama,
Yes, Stella.
did it work?
It's a new bed.
No, Dad.
The store don't have it yet.
This is
Wow. Yes, yes, yes. Eat your chips. Papa soon come.
fun.
The store doesn't have it in stock. They said if we order it, it won't be here until 3 weeks time, which we don't have 3 weeks to wait.
Woo!
So we're gonna go to another store of their same brands just to check to see if they have it. You guys, we still haven't gotten Tyler bed because we haven't reached to the second store yet. However, we're close by. We just have to have lunch at McDonald's because it's gonna be a long day, so we can't go. You having fries and what?
Dad.
And what?
Dad.
And what is it? Juice? And juice? Anyway, you guys, we're grubbing. Babe's grubbing. Honey. And as you guys can see, Tyler is pretty excited. Anyway, guys, we'll catch up with you guys when we reach to the bed store. We're actually heading to the pool. It is so hot. Tyler, say hi to the faves. You show the faves your pool outfit. Quick update on Tyler bed. We bought the bed and everything, but our car was too small to carry the bed home, and to take it home we would have to rent a van. But we opted for waiting until next weekend because someone will be around us next weekend with a van that we can go and pick it up. So we will be going for Tyler bed next weekend. But we bought the bed and everything. So yeah, that's the update on Tyler bed. So we got his bed, so that's super exciting. But we have to wait until next weekend before we go and get it. So yeah, but we're just heading to the pool right now. It's holiday and we're heading to fireworks after the pool. So yeah, it should be a good afternoon. Take them off. Fine. What? Okay, it's time for you to take up. It's naughty. Is that naughty? Come, take up all of them, put them in here. What did he do? What did he do? What did he do? Come, take up your cars. Take up your cars. Tyler. Tyler, go for your boat. Look. Go for your boat over there. Hurry. Take up your duck. See the duck there? Come. Look. Hurry. Take up your cars. Go for your cars. Taxi buddy.
Hein?
Oh no, Melissa. If you are doing a video, you have to take the Belgian
Oh
flag.
no, no,
comment ça, non?
no.
Oh bah si. Hein.
Allez les bleus.
Oh, non.
Before I take the Belgium flag, I would take this one.
Jamaica.
We beat you.
Tyler, it's not your.
We beat you. Yes.
Or today?
Il est où le ballon? Yesterday.
Yesterday?
It
Jeez, look at this. Look at this view. You guys, this is our view. Let me show you guys in front of us. I guess this is our very first family date today. You're in the sun. As I told you guys, today is holiday and we are by the beachfront. I'm going to watch fireworks, so we are out here chilling and Tyler is in the sand. He said he wants to go in the sand, so he's right there. Let me show you guys in front of us. The airport is right there, as you guys can see the plane touching down. Yeah? You want to come? You want the cars? You want the cars? Okay, Papa gonna give them to you. Okay, look in the bag for cars. Give them to him. So as you guys can see on the beach, that's where we are. I'm gonna just slowly show you guys along. And we have like 45 minutes wait before the fireworks, so it's just slowly full up with everybody, and as Babe says, it won't be on time, so we're just out here chilling and just gonna have a good time and relax and enjoy the afternoon. So yeah, it feels so good to feel like you're on a date. Feels like you're on a date, don't it? I haven't done this. My heart just all of a sudden feel full and feel nice and feel all lovey-dovey.
It's like
it
a
feels
nice
good.
spot here.
Don't
I didn't
it?
know this spot.
And it's sand.
Yeah, it feels like a nice spot.
It's sand. So, and look, the water is just in front of us. So now you know where we can come. He have his taxi too?
No.
So I didn't give him a taxi. Give him Troy taxi too and let him play.
Yeah, 2 cars.
Let me show you how close we are to the airport. Look how excited he is to be in the sand. Look at him. You want to take off your pants and put on a shorts? You want to take off your pants and put on your shorts? Come, go. Look at him taking his jolly little time. I'm gonna take off mine too.
Camera make it bright.
So pretty, and my phone not making it that pretty.
My phone do.
Really?
Yeah. I
Well,
mean, I don't know for camera, but I know
quality
for
over quantity.
look.
It has begun!
Tyler first.
That was so good.